welcome back to my channel. Today I have a try on haul video for you guys. I'm really excited for this video because one, you guys have been requesting more try on hauls, and I'm really excited because over the last, I would say, 2 months, I literally have been stalking so many websites looking for the cutest clothes because I'm revamping my closet and donating a lot of my clothes, so it's the perfect time to just bring more clothes in. Some of the items in this video were gifted to me from Fashion Nova, which I'm so grateful for, and some of the items I actually bought myself because I've been stalking their website non-stop for all of the new arrivals. I'm really excited to try them on, give you an input of what I think about them. I'll list all the links below just in case you guys are interested in purchasing some of this for your own closet. I would love to hear your feedback on the pieces. Let me know which one's your favorite. Without further ado, let's get started. This is definitely my all-time favorite pieces that I got. I'm really excited about this one. I feel like this is something I'm gonna wear a lot. It's so comfortable. Now here's the thing, when I saw it online, I was like, oh my god, when it's like these strapless things, sometimes you have a fear that it's going to fall off. But this is so sturdy and tight, you guys. Like, you don't feel suffocated, but it's the material that hugs onto your body. And I'm not wearing a bra at all, you guys, and it just feels so comfortable. Like, I can move around in it. I love the design. I love how it cinches up here, so it's gonna give my body a lot of shape, and then it flows out here. The bottoms are these material. Oh my god, I love this. I love this design. I love the ruffles. This has got to be one of my favorite rompers I've ever owned, and I just love that it's so cooling and I don't feel suffocated. I can move. This is gonna be perfect for summertime. If you guys buy anything from the site, just go get this. Like, it is amazing. I did get this in an extra large because I didn't want to feel suffocated, which I'm glad I did because I can move around in it a little bit more. I think this is so cute. Look at the design. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with this one. It's so freaking cute. Okay, when I saw it in the bag, I literally was second guessing myself, but this is really cute. If you're wondering, there's a mirror behind me. That's why I keep looking back there. Okay, material-wise, so much better than the others. I thought that material was good. This one is so good. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but it's like the really sheer thin ones. And down here is like 2 layers, so it's gonna give you kind of that flowy effect. How cute is that? I love the V-neck. It's really flattering, especially for people with boobs like mine, where it's like not too big but not too small. I love it. In the middle, ties, so you can take this apart and then you can tie it. How cute is this? Oh my god, I should wear this for date night. This is such a cute date outfit or going out with the girls. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed. And it is a romper, so you would have to take the whole thing off if you have to go to the bathroom. But other than that, this is so freaking flattering. Oh my god, I love it. I can't wait to wear this out. The color, the material, the style. This is so flirty and cute. I would definitely pair this with a red lip. I think that would look freaking amazing. First thing that I want to mention to you is the fabric. The material is really nice. It has that cooling effect, which is great for spring and summer because you guys know it gets so hot. So the material feels very cold on my skin, which is something that I like. I think that fabric and material is very important when you're looking for clothing. With this dress, I really like the material. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. The cinching is really nice. I don't really see anything coming off of the dress. And I also like the design of the bottom of the dress. The bottom of the dress is super flowy, as you guys can see here on the model next to me. Again, very flowy. You can move around with it. It feels very comfortable. This is going to be great for maybe grocery store shopping or date night, dates with the best friend or the boyfriend, whatever it may be. Wherever you want to feel super cute and put together, but still be able to move. You don't want to wear something too tight, but you want to look still very girly and cute. Now, about the boob area, you can adjust this to make it tighter. It is adjustable with these 2 straps that you can tie in the back. It's a crisscross design in the back, and you can make it tighter. So if I would make it tighter, then it would go up against my body like so, and then I wouldn't have to worry about maybe showing my boobs too much. The thing that you guys should look out for with this dress is that it has a lot of side boob, as you guys can tell. I'm not someone that is too comfortable with too much side boob, so I'm not really sure if I would ever wear this around family events, you know, but maybe out with the girls or something like that would be more appropriate. I don't have it too tight, and I am moving around a lot, and it doesn't look like the boobs are popping out. It still feels really protected up here. And in the back, which I like, is an elastic waistband, as you can see right here. So I got a large, but I'm pretty sure that with the elastic waistband in the back, I could have gone away with a medium or maybe even a small, to be honest with you. And I'm about 5 feet tall, so it's barely touching the ground, which is a miracle. I can never find a dress that barely touches the ground in a large. So this is the next outfit. Now the only thing about this is that it's a romper, and you guys know with rompers, you have to take it off when you pee. It's a little bit of a hassle, but I think this one is so cute. I love the pattern. I think the pattern is really cute. I love blue and pinks together. They're really cute for the summertime, and I love a little bit of the yellow. There is a button right here that you can easily button. Let me show you. If you don't want to show too much cleavage, or you can unbutton it and leave it like this. The straps are adjustable, which is great, so you can make it as tight or as loose as you would like. It's very stretchy, so it's also going to cinch in your waist when you wear it, but it's also really comfortable. You don't feel like you're being suffocated. The bottom of the romper shorts are little ruffles, which I think are so cute. But other than that, I love this one. I love the color, the material, the style. It's really cute. And if you're someone who maybe don't like your arm area like I don't, you can put a very light denim jacket over and it would still be super cute. So moving on to this dress. This one was just a slip-on, so I literally just put it on as I was putting on pants, kinda. So you easily just slide it on. There's no zippers or anything like this. I think it's really cute. I would probably add a belt here to cinch in my waist a little bit more. And let me see. I don't think the straps are adjustable. No, the straps are not adjustable, so that is like the only downfall about it. But you would, yeah, I would definitely put a belt here to cinch everything in, and then the bottoms look like this. I think this would be really cute with kind of like a girly hat that's black, and then maybe some cute shoes. If you really want to go slay, I would do some like black thigh highs. But the material feels really comfortable. I love the button detailing. This I would save more for the fall season, to be honest, than the spring and summer. Okay friends, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had so much fun hanging out with me. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what your favorite outfit from this video was. I would love to hear your input. And also don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye my loves.